In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button to video in CapCut on PC. If you want to encourage more viewers to subscribe to your channel, adding a simple animated subscribe button on screen can make a big difference. The good news is that in CapCut on PC, there are two very easy ways to do it, and both are beginner-friendly. The first method uses CapCut's built-in animated stickers, which is the fastest option if you want something quick and polished. To begin, go to the top left navigation bar and click on Stickers. Once you're there, click the search bar, type subscribe, and press enter. CapCut will show you a range of animated subscribe buttons and bell icons. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that matches the style of your video. When you find one you like, click and drag it down onto track 2 directly above your main video. Placing it on the track above your footage makes it appear as an overlay, which is exactly what you want for this effect. The second method is useful if you already have a green screen subscribe animation that you want to use. For this option, drag your green screen subscribe video onto track 2 above your main footage. Then click the clip so it's selected and go to the top right panel. Under Video, open Cutout and check the Chroma key box. This allows CapCut to remove a solid color background from the clip. Next, click the Color Picker eyedropper, then click on the green background in the preview window. After that, increase the strength setting until the green disappears completely. Go slowly here so the button stays clean and visible without removing parts of the animation itself. Once you've added your subscribe graphic using either method, the next step is to size and position it properly. Click the subscribe overlay on track 2, then use the corner handles in the preview player to shrink it down. Usually, placing it in one of the bottom corners works best because it keeps the graphic visible without blocking the main content of your video. After that, line up the start of the clip on your timeline so it appears exactly when you ask viewers to subscribe. That timing matters because the visual prompt works best when it matches what you're saying. And that's it. You're all set.